Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to paint a tree. So let's do it. So I'm gonna do the trunk of the tree. I take my burnt ombre and I'm going to draw trim, but I'm gonna draw it branches off. Okay, you just don't want just one trunk, you want little branches also. So now we are going to be doing the highlight of the tree, so you gotta kind of decide where your light source is going to come. So is it going to come right from the top down? Is it gonna come from one side of the other? Because just is gonna determine where the lightest part of your tree is. So that's why I use yellow. I'm just gonna mix it a bit with water because I really want a little bright yellow for the highlight. I really want to come my sun from this way. So the lightest part of my tree is gonna be the top and this side. Okay, so that's where you're gonna be put your first bit and you are just gonna tap around. And really there's no wrong way to do this because it is a tree and tree are not all the same, and you are gonna want to leave some white space in your tree for branches. So you want to show some separation so we can make some branches. Now I'm going to use some light green for little mid tone. Just using this like tapping technique, just tap around, tap. I am going to put on more darker green, that more than previous one. Okay, and I start to make our way down. We will pick up some darker green, so I have hooker green dark here that I can start throwing in. And because this side of tree is the furthest away from the sun, yeah, it is going to be the darkest. So this underside over here, so this is ever dark color, yeah, like this, that I'm using over here. So this is just a darker green. So there you go, there is your tree. So if you feel like adding some grass, you can do that too, but be careful because if you go back over it when it's wet, sorry, when it's dry, it will lift up, yeah, like this. Tap watercolor tree. Okay, make sure that the colors you are using that has to be a very good quality colors. I am using capson water paper from my watercolor notebook. I am going to be using a good quality watercolor over here. I use actually. So first we're gonna be doing white strokes, and we can make a grass also. You can make a grass with your brush, like from down to up, and your tree is ready. Yes, like this. Make a small strokes. Yes, you can add dark color, and make sure you have to make a little branches also, kind of coming off to make it a look a bit more realistic. Okay, now be careful that you try not to use too much water because it will run all into tree, as you can see. Yes, as you can see, be careful. Yeah, I'm just finishing my painting. I really hope you like it, and I hope you learned some things. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.
Bye.